Hi viewers, welcome back. In the previous video, we have discussed capital accounts and methods of preparation of capital accounts. Today, we have to discuss salary and commission to partners and its calculation. In the absence of partnership deed, as per section 13 of the Indian Partnership Act, no partner is entitled to any salary or commission for taking part in the firm's business activities. Okay, that we already learned. That means in the absence of a partnership deed, no partner is entitled to get any salary or commission. Okay, and salary and commission can only be payable to the partner if it has been agreed by all the partners and expressly stated in the partnership deed. A partner is getting salary or commission only if it is mentioned in the partnership deed. If it is not mentioned in the partnership deed or if there is no agreement, the partner is not getting any salary or any commission. Partners' salary and commissions are appropriation of profit and therefore that are debited to profit and loss appropriation account. Okay, now we have to know how to calculate the commission. Sometimes in the question, the commission is charged on profit before charging commission and or on profit after charging commission. If it is before charging commission, the calculation is net profit before commission into rate of commission. Okay, sometimes the question like this: commission at 10% before charging such commission. So that time we can use this formula: net profit before commission into rate of commission. If it is profit after charging commission, then the following formula is used: net profit before commission into rate divided by rate plus 100. This formula we can use at this time. Okay, that means if in the question it shows commission at 10% after charging such commission, that time we have to use this formula: net profit before commission into rate divided by rate plus 100. Is it clear? Now let's solve a problem. Amar, Akbar and Anthony are partners in a business and their capitals on 1st April 2017 are rupees 20,000, rupees 16,000 and rupees 4,000 respectively. The partnership deed provides that 5% interest is to be allowed on capital. Second one, Anthony gets rupees 2,000 as annual salary. Third point, Akbar gets commission at 10% after charging such commission. Then profit is to be divided in the ratio of 2:1:1. Fifth one, drawings: Amar rupees 6,000, Akbar rupees 5,000 and Anthony rupees 4,000. The profit for the year ending 31st March 2018 without taking into account the above facts are rupees 17,200. Draw profit and loss appropriation account showing above transaction in the allocation of profit among partners and partners capital account. Okay, first of all we have to make a short summary. Partners are Amar, Akbar, Anthony. Capitals 20,000, 16,000, 4,000. Interest on capital rate 5%. Interest on capital is 20,000 into 5% 1,000 and 16,000 into 5% 800 and Anthony 4,000 into 5% 200. And here only Anthony is getting salary, that is 2,000, and commission is 10% after charging such commission. This is the important point in this question. Okay, that we can calculate later. Then profit sharing ratio is 2:1:1. Their drawings are 6,000, 5,000 and 4,000. Then the question gives the profit 17,200. Okay. In this question, profit is given before adjusting the all fact. So we have to prepare profit and loss appropriation account. We know profit and loss appropriation account begins with the net profit. From the profit and loss account here, 17,200 is the net profit that should be credited in the profit and loss appropriation account by profit and loss account 17,200. And we have to charge all the expenses. First of all, interest on capital, Amar 1000, Akbar 800, Anthony 200, total amount is 2000. Next expense is Anthony's salary. That 2000 is debited in this account to Anthony's salary 2000. Next one, Akbar's commission. That we have to calculate here. We already discussed commission is charged two ways. One is before charging commission and second one is after charging commission. Here in this question it gives after charging commission, 10% after charging commission. So we know the formula, that is net profit before commission into rate divided by rate plus 100. For the calculation of the commission, first we should know the net profit before commission. In this question, all the items, the debit side and credit side, we already recorded in the profit and loss appropriation account. Now we have to get net profit by deducting interest on capital and Anthony's salary from the profit. Here the profit is 17,200 and interest on capital, total interest on capital is 2000 and Anthony's salary is 2000. Then net profit before commission is equal to 17,200 minus interest on capital 2000 and Anthony's salary 2000. That's equal to 13,200. So we can apply in the formula. Formula is net profit before commission into rate divided by rate plus 100. Here net profit is 13,200 into rate 10 divided by rate 10 plus 100. That is 13,200 into 10 by 110. The amount would be 1,200. So the commission on Akbar is 1,200. That also we can record here. Akbar's commission 1,200. And the remaining amount, here net profit 13,200 minus commission. That amount we can distribute to partners. Here 13,200 is the profit minus commission 1,200. The amount would be 12,000. This 12,000 we can distribute according to the profit sharing ratio. So Amar is getting 12,000 into 2 by 4, 6,000 and Akbar share is 12,000 into 1 by 4, 3,000 and Anthony is getting 12,000 into 1 by 4, that's equal to 3,000. And that also we can record in the profit and loss appropriation account to net profit transferred to partners capital account. Amar 6,000, Akbar 3,000 and Anthony 3,000. Now we have to prepare partners capital account under any one of the methods, fixed capital method or fluctuating capital method. Here we can make partners capital account under fluctuating capital method. As we studied earlier, partners capital account under fluctuating capital method is the combination of partners capital account and current account under fixed capital method. In this question, capitals on 1st April 2017 are given. This is the opening capital, so this amount is credited in the partners capital account by balance brought down. Amar 20,000, Akbar 16,000 and Anthony 4,000. And we know all the benefits of partner is credited in the partner's capital account and all expenses or losses are debited in this partner's capital account. Here interest on capital that is credited in this account. Interest on capital is 1,800 and 200. Then salary of Anthony, that is 2000, also credited. Then the commission, we already calculated and recorded in the commission in profit and loss appropriation account, that is related with the Akbar, so that also we can record in Akbar's column, commission 1200. And the profit share of profit, also we have to record here share of profit by profit and loss appropriation account. Amar 6000, Akbar 3000 and Anthony 3000. And one more item is the drawings of a partner, that we should debit in this partner's capital account. To drawings, Amar 6000, Akbar 5000, Anthony 4000. Now we have to total both sides of each partners. First, Amar, the credit side we have to get 27,000. This is the credit side is more amount, and the balance figure is 21,000 is in debit side. And the Akbar column 21,000 in the credit side, and the difference, the balance is 16,000 in the debit side. And the last Anthony's column, the credit side is more amount, that is 9,200, and the difference is 5,200, that is we have to debit the 5,200. So this is the balancing figure, or this is the balance amount. So here we have to write to balance carried on: Amar 21,000, Akbar 16,000, Anthony 5,200. Okay.